so I'm gonna be doing this hairstyle. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. This is the inspo picture. I saw it on Pinterest, and I'm going on vacation tomorrow. Yeah, just some twist, and stay tuned for the rest of the video so you guys can see how I did it. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I used to post on this channel like 5 years ago, and then I stopped. But if you want to check out these videos. Okay, so all the products I'm gonna be using is, this is the Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner for them ends, and this is the Doux Mousse. I don't even know how to say it, but this is really good. I used it like once before for like a wash and go, and life was changed. And then I'm gonna probably use some clips and like a comb. I'm forgetting. I'm also gonna be using spray bottle and white tooth comb. Throughout my whole head, I'm gonna start with this product. I don't even know if I have a lot left. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this for like moisture. Okay, I literally just do like the most random parts. And I just twist it at the end. So I just put in the product. Okay, now that I finished, what did I finish? Finished detailing my hair. I'm gonna do the front section, but I have to part out the front section. So I should have did that before we started it, but whatever. I don't know exactly where I want it, but maybe like right here. I pulled up the inspo, and it looks like she's got, it's like, I don't know. Let me see. Say my hair was out and it was curly. And it looks like it starts from like right here. And it curves. Wait, I think hers is twisted. Actually, I can't tell. Then I may just do twist. It would look better than this, but this braid should be going like, should start here, low-key. Like, it should be like this. Wait, I could save it. I can save it. All the parting like looks good. Like, I may finish it tomorrow. Well, it's 8:30 p.m. right now. I don't know if you could tell the lighting change in the video, but it's been some time, and I'm just like, I mean, I like how it looks. So I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna do this, redo it, you know, make it look all good. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make this part nice and curly with the mousse. And on vacation, I bought a little travel size one, so when I go in the water or something and I want to redo it, that's that. So little tiny one, but yeah, I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam, and then I can tell she has rubber bands on the end of it, so maybe I'll put rubber bands. I don't know, I'll see. But I'll show you the first few, and then I'm gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna start down here. Also, if you guys can tell, all the twists I think should be going the same way, because I am doing twists, not braids. And I would say don't put too much product, because well, especially for vacation, like if you plan to get in the water, that can make your chances of it lasting even less. So like mostly twist it tight. Okay, so I did 3, and I'm gonna come back when I finish the rest. Literally just the same thing over and over again. Mind you, my edges will be done. So now we're completely done. I still have the twist in from yesterday. Okay, so what I like to do, honestly, okay, on the bottle it says, for best results, do not apply oil to the hair before applying this product, because it's not going to be as defining. And then it says this product can be styled on wet or dry hair. Apply to wet hair for medium hold and dry hair for firm hold. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water, so it's like, okay. Okay guys, so this is the final results. I'm gonna do a little, let me know how the back looks, but yeah, so I just put the products in and this is it still, like it's not dry yet, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what other videos you would like to see, and bye.